Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. This video is not to teach you anything, just to inform you that something ridiculous happened with me yesterday. Someone had created a fake ID of mine. He used my name and my pics in his profile picture as well as in his cover picture. He used my pictures and my name, and he was trying to contact my friends. He sent a message one of my friends. She called me and told that, why are you asking my number, don't you have my number? I said, I'm not asking you your number, I have your number, why will I ask you? She said that means he was sending her vulgar videos and pics, and she called and informed me that you are sending me this video and such kind of video and pics. I said, why will I send you? Yesterday was my exam and I was preparing for that. I got shocked when I got her call and she told me like this, that I'm getting something ridiculous things from your ID and you're asking my number. I said, this is not me, it's not my account, it's a fake account. She took screenshot and sent me. I checked it out, I found that account too. He created this ID by the name Kumari Rachna. Okay, he created this account by using my name and he set my pictures as his profile pic and cover photo. I got shocked by seeing all these things, that what's happening, means who is he, why is he doing such things? He was using my name and my profile pictures to contact her. He wanted her number. He just wanted to make a contact with her. I don't know why. What is his purpose? I don't know why is he doing all these things. But I got shocked a lot. I was surprised a lot to know all these things. And she said he is posting something vulgar things in his by his ID, which was created by my name and my picture. I was scared a lot. Why is he doing such things? Who is he and why is he using my name and my pictures and doing all these things? I messaged him. Okay, I sent him a request. He did not accept my request, but I sent him a message that, who are you and why are you doing such things? Why are you using my name and profile pictures and all? Why are you using my name and my pictures? And create you have created a fake ID of mine. Why are you doing all such things? He replied me later on and said, it was not me, I was not doing all these things. I said, who is doing? If you are not doing, who is doing? Who the hell are you who is doing all these things? Why are you using my name and my pictures? And you have created my fake ID and you are trying to get my friend's number. Why are you doing all these things? He said that, I like her, I want to make her my friend. I said, if you love someone or like someone, will you do any illegal thing? Will you do such a crime? He was like, okay ठीक है, ये हो गया, मैंने जानबूझ करके नहीं किया, ये हो गया, मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मैंने तुम्हारा ये लाइफ स्पॉइल नहीं किया या तुम्हारा करियर बर्बाद नहीं किया जो तुम मेरे को ऐसे बोल रही हो. I said, what is it? Huh? What is it? You are trying to ruin my life. You are trying to spoil my career. You had done something illegal. This is a crime. Are you not getting? Are you, means, out of your mind? You are not getting what are you doing? He was not getting. He was like, sorry, मैंने किसी को hurt करने के लिए ये नहीं किया. I said, you are hurting me. You created my fake ID. You used my name. You used my pictures on your profile. You are saying that you did not do anything wrong. This is the crime. Don't you know this is the biggest crime? He said, yes, मैंने crime किया. I said, I already reported to the cyber crime that someone has created a fake ID by using my name and my pictures, and please take instant action. Means the work is going on. The police are doing their work. Soon he'll be caught. Who is he and why is he doing such things? I'm very excited to know ultimately who is he and why is he doing all such things. Means, guys, suddenly when you get some kind of surprising news from your friends or from your contacts or from your relatives, means कोई भी he or she will get surprised कि ये क्या है यार, मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ किया ही नहीं है, कैसे कोई ऐसे कर सकता है. Ultimately, means what's the problem of him with me, I don't know. Okay, I don't know, means why is he doing all these things. I have no idea at all. I want to know. I want to know why is he doing all these things by using my name and pictures. Why is he trying to, reach to my contacts, to my friends. He he was like, sorry, अब से नहीं होगा, मैंने जानबूझ करके नहीं किया, वो वीडियो मैंने नहीं देखा था, क्या है. आई सेड, आर यू ब्लाइंड, हाँ, आर यू ब्लाइंड दैट यू डिड नॉट सी दैट वीडियो. ये क्लियर दिख रहा है ये किस चीज़ का वीडियो है. इट वॉज सच अ वल्गर वीडियो, नो वन कैन सी इट, इट वॉज सच अ वल्गर वीडियो ही वॉज सेंडिंग टू हर. And he was saying that no, in fact he was not ready to accept that he sent that video or message to her. I told him that particular person's name, that you send this video or pic to my friend. I took her name. Then he accepted that yeah, I sent her only and nobody else. I sent, what do you mean by I sent her only? मीन्स एटलीस्ट तुमने स्टार्ट तो किया, एक इंसान से स्टार्ट किया है, तुम पता नहीं किसके पास और जाएगा ये सारा मैसेज बाय यूजिंग माय नेम एंड पिक्चर्स. सब लोग तो यही सोचेंगे ना कि आई डिड दिस. हाँ, तुम मेरा लाइफ स्पॉइल कर रहे हो, जो भी हो. आई डोंट नो हु आर यू, आई वांट टू नो. आई आस्क्ड हिज नेम बट ही वाज लाइक, आई कांट रिवील माय नेम. आई सेड, आई नो, चोर कभी नहीं बोलता कि मैंने चोरी किया है. वाई विल ही से. ही वॉज एक्सप्लेनिंग वेन, जब आप किसी के प्यार में होते हो तो योर माइंड सेज डोंट डू दिस बट योर हार्ट सेज डू दिस for the sake of your love. I said, for the sake of anybody's love, will you spoil any other person's life, or will you ruin any other person's career? He was like, I'm not ruining your life, I'm not doing anything bad to you. आई सेड, व्हाट इज़ दिस, ये सब क्या मेरा करियर बनाने के लिए है? हाँ, ये सब क्या मेरा लाइफ बनाने के लिए, करियर बनाने के लिए? तुम मेरा नाम यूज़ कर रहे हो, मेरा पिक्चर्स यूज़ कर रहे हो और बोलते हो कि मैंने तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं किया है. आई सेड, तुम रेप कर लेना, देन से सॉरी. ओके. ही वॉज लाइक कि डोंट ब्लेम मी फॉर रेप, आई एम नॉट अ रेपिस्ट, आई जस्ट क्रिएटेड अ फेक आईडी एंड नथिंग एल्स. He was arguing with me. Okay, he was not ready to accept his mistake, but lastly he accepted that yes, if you have reported, I'm ready to face it. अगर तुमने कंप्लेन कर ही दिया है तो ये मेरा मिस्टेक है, मैंने क्रिएट किया है फेक आईडी, तो मैं ये इस सिचुएशन को फेस करूँगा, पुलिस आएगी मेरे पास, मैं ये सब चीज़ हैंडल कर लूँगा एंड ऑल. ही वॉज लाइक दिस. ही हैज़ so much attitude, he is not accepting that he has done such a crime. I don't know which type of person he is. I am surprised to know कि ये ऐसे लोग भी हमारे चारों तरफ भरे हुए हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, प्लीज़ आप जाओ, इंस्टाग्राम हो या फेसबुक हो, आप अपना नाम डाल करके सर्च करना ज़रूर कि कहीं आपका भी कोई फेक आईडी बना करके तो यूज़ नहीं कर रहा है ना. आप प्लीज़ चेक करना ये सारी चीज़ें. सो या पुलिस आर डूइंग देयर वर्क इज़ गोइंग ऑन, सून ही विल बी कॉट. तो ये वीडियो बस यही इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए था कि ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, मेरी एक फ्रेंड है उसके साथ भी ये चीज़ हुआ कि someone has created her fake ID and using, it was her, means old ID which she was not using. She has her new account, she was not using that account, but someone else is using her account, someone else is handling her account. तो ये हमारे चारों ओर हो रहा है, ये क्राइम है. कोई भी किसी का फेक आईडी बना देता है, किसी को भी अप्रोच करने का कोशिश करता है, कुछ क्राइम कर रहा है, और हमारे चारों तरफ इतना क्राइम हो रहा है, रेप हो रहा है, मर्डर हो रहा है, फेक आईडी क्रिएट हो रहा है. तो गाइज प्लीज़ बी वेयर ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ पर्सन्स जो हमारे चारों ओर ही है और कहीं नहीं है. And I think he is in my contact, because until and unless you accept somebody's request, he or she will not be able to get your pictures. But he has my pictures, and he is using the picture he put in his profile pic and cover photo was my old pictures. And I don't know who is he. I want to know, and soon he'll be caught. I'm not going to leave him or her. I don't know he or she, but he or she is somebody. कोई तो है, and soon he or she will be caught. So yeah, thank you. And आप ज़रूर चेक करना कि आपका भी कोई फेक आईडी तो बना करके यूज़ नहीं कर रहा है. Thank you.